Hi guys, in this video we're going to look at multiplication of fractions by whole numbers. Whenever you're given a fraction and a whole number to multiply, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that the whole number becomes a fraction. So we have to change the whole number and make it a fraction. And how we do that is anytime you want to change a number to make it a fraction, you just divide it by 1. So remember, if you want to make a number a fraction by dividing, you just write the number on top, put the line, that line means divided by, and then put the 1. So in our case, we have 3/5, it's a fraction, times 5. 5 is the whole number, so we want to change that 5 and make it a fraction. So we just put a line under 5 and put 1 under it. So now it becomes a fraction. So now we end up with 3/5 times 5/1. When we put 1 under 5, we did not change the value of the fraction. We just changed the presentation of the number. Because if you say 5 divided by 1, you will still get 5. So we just changed it and make it a fraction so that it's easier to multiply when the numbers are in the same form. So we had a fraction here. We want to also make this one a fraction. Alright, so now we have 3/5 times 5/1. Now we have two fractions that are multiplying. 3/5 times 5/1. Whenever you're multiplying fractions, you just multiply the numerators together all over the denominators to multiply together. So we have 3/5 times 5/1. So we're just going to multiply the numbers on top. 3 times 5, we get 15. And then 5 times 1, we get 5. So we end up with 15/5. 15/5 is an improper fraction, and you cannot leave your number as an improper fraction. You have to convert it into a mixed number by dividing. Remember, the line between these numbers means divided by. So you do 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5, you get 3. So that our answer here will be 3. Very good. Let's try another example. Let's say we want to multiply 10 times 1/4. 10 is a whole number, 1/4 is a fraction. So remember, the first step is to make all the numbers fractions. So we're going to make 10 a fraction by putting a 1 under it or by dividing it by 1. So we're going to have 10/1 times 1/4. Because these are fractions that are multiplying, we now have to multiply the numerators together all over the denominators. So we do 10 times 1, we get 10. 1 times 4, we get 4. And then our answer is 10/4 as an improper fraction. Then we have to convert it and make it a mixed number. So go ahead and watch that video again on how to convert improper fractions and make them mixed numbers. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.